Hi YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luvuno K and I am so glad to have you here in my channel. If you're new, feel right at home. So today's video I brought you my nighttime routine. So I already took my shower. It's around 6:30 and I just want to start with my routine. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, hello again. So I'm going to start by drawing the curtains. It's already getting dark outside, so I'm just going to draw all the curtains. And then I washed my carpet and it's now dry, so I'm just going to get it in and put it where it's supposed to be. So then I'll go to the kitchen and put away all the dishes that I washed in the morning and are now dry. So it's now around 7 and I want to start preparing dinner. So I thought let me cook some pilau, and so I'm assembling all the ingredients I will need to cook the meal and start meal prepping all the ingredients needed. I'm done putting aside all the ingredients I will need. So I'll quickly make some tea so that I can go drink it while I wait for the meat to cook, and also while I do some other of my personal things. So I'm going to make the simplest tea. I'm just going to be using a sieve, some lemongrass that I've planted, some tea masala, some tea leaves and ginger powder, and that's just it for the tea. Also, I'll just put in a little bit of sugar. Hi! So pretty much my life revolves around this living room, and I'm just going to be sitting up on my tea as I plan my tomorrow's day and see the things that I've accomplished today. Now I'm done, so I'm just going to go to the kitchen and continue cooking my dinner. So right now it's around 7:30 or about 8 p.m. So I'm also going to clean up all the dishes that I used while making the meal, so that I leave the kitchen all clean and all clean and tidy for tomorrow. will also do some tidying up in the kitchen, or that includes cleaning my cooker and also the kitchen floor. Then after I'm done, I'm going to serve myself dinner that I'll have in the living room. Also going to be watching while taking my dinner. Right now I'm really obsessed with this series. It's called Person of Interest, and it's really nice and also very interesting. So if you're looking for something to watch, I would highly recommend that TV series. Series was just so captivating. So I'm going to watch more episodes, around 2 to 3 more episodes. I'm going to sleep at around 11 because tomorrow is the weekend and my schedule is not that busy. So that marks the end of my simple night routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because it goes a long way to help the growth of this channel. So till then, see you next week. Bye.